In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up employee onboarding processes on Monday.com. We're going to build a simple, organized home for your onboarding work so every new hire has a consistent, smooth experience. By the end, you'll have a dedicated workspace ready to hold your checklist, training items, and timelines all in one place your team can find and use. Start on your Monday.com dashboard. This is your command center, showing recent activity and quick access to your work. If you're already inside another board or view, use the main navigation to return to the dashboard, so we begin from a clean slate. This makes it easier to confirm you're creating things in the right place. On the left sidebar, look for the Workspaces area. You should see an option or icon highlighted to help you create something new. Click that highlighted control to open the creation menu. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it first so you can see workspaces clearly. This step tells Monday.com you want a new container for your onboarding materials, separate from other departments or projects. From the menu that opens, choose Add New Workspace. A workspace is like a folder at the highest level. It can hold multiple boards, docs, and dashboards related to a single function. Using a workspace for onboarding keeps everything together and makes permissions easier to manage as your team grows. When prompted, type a clear name, such as Onboarding. If your account allows a description or icon, use them to add clarity. A short note like Central Hub for New Hire Onboarding helps teammates instantly understand its purpose. Consistent naming matters. If you hire across regions or roles, you can add a prefix like HR Onboarding to match your company's conventions. Click Add Workspace to create it. With the workspace in place, begin populating it with the onboarding content you already use. Think in terms of topics or stages your new hires will go through: pre-boarding paperwork, device and account setup, orientation, role-specific training, first week goals, and 30 to 60 90-day check-ins. Add the materials and tasks you have for each topic so your process is easy to follow. Keep owners and due dates clear so nothing slips through the cracks, and use consistent labels or statuses to track progress from not started to completed. If your organization uses templates, place them here so every hire starts with the same baseline. As you build, keep permissions in mind. Limit sensitive items to the right people while keeping general guidance visible to managers and mentors. That's it. You went to your dashboard, opened the creation menu, added a new workspace, named it Onboarding, and started filling it with your real process. You now have a structured hub that makes onboarding repeatable, transparent, and easy to improve over time.